Hello and welcome back to the channel. We got game. This is another video in my Animal Crossing village. This is my second video, still on my first day. Unlike Story of the Seasons, Animal Crossing plays in real time, so I won't switch days until after I go on to my second day. These are going to be, supplemental videos. I'm not sure how long I'm going to follow this through, but we are just now starting. I forgot that he wants me to take a nap, so I was like, I'm not ready to take a nap because I won't do anything till later. So I run around and do a bunch of stuff. And then I'm like, oh, he keeps pushing me to take a nap, so I end up taking a nap. Gonna run around, shake some trees, pick up some rocks, pick up some apples, do some weeds, may even kick a snowball pretty soon. Does anybody else love the crunching sound of running on snow in Animal Crossing? That is like my favorite sound. The snow crunching. Also be aware when shaking trees, when I just did it, you saw one of the apples disappear. It will disappear into the snow. Later on, when I do the island rating system and stuff, you really want to get all the weeds pulled up In the winter, it's not horrible because much like real snow, the snow in Animal Crossing covers a bunch of the weeds up so they're not as obvious, but later on when you do get raiding of your island, you do want to get rid of the weeds. I'm still out here running around and Nook really wants me to take a nap. As you can tell, I forgot where my tent was. I'm not sure if anybody remembers the old Animal Crossings where you had to go to bed to save. So I was like, if I go to bed, it's going to save and start me over. So I'm going to rest. I went ahead and turned it off before there was a KK slider plays a song. I forgot about it, so I went ahead and stopped the video when it blacked out. But let you know there's a KK slider song playing right now when this load screen is done. Not a huge fan of KK slider. Come at me, Animal Crossing fans. I know, not a huge fan of KK slider. Please like and subscribe and watch my other videos.